just heading to the farm. There's my grandfather breaking some ground down. We're hoping we're gonna get planting today. So we got just about everything almost ready, but yeah, a little bit yet to do on most things. So anyway, yeah, we'll see where we go. We just couldn't get the disinfectant to run. I tried and tried. So we're gonna bring over the other pressure washer. We can get it to work on it. Then I can disinfect the bucket on the skid steer. Scott's washing the truck, and then he'll be able to disinfect that truck. We already had a truck that's been disinfected in it, sitting over there. And yeah, so once we get the skid steer disinfected, I'm gonna put a load of seed on that truck. And as long as nothing else goes awry this morning, might be planting by this afternoon. We'll see. Everything that can happen to slow us down's happened so far, so that's the normal for the first day, especially. Right, here's the Atlantic seed right here. Let's get this ladder out of the way and pull. Well, actually, we'll pull the skid steer and then we'll back the truck up and start loading. That should be good right there. Alrighty, time to put this onto that truck. Well, time to do another one. guys, so we're heading home for a quick bite to eat. Then we're gonna head over. I got 2 loads of seed on, didn't get the 3rd one on. Lunchtime came and guys from the dealership that we bought our new planter from are coming to set the shakers and all that stuff after lunch, so I gotta be there for that. It's supposed to rain tonight and tomorrow, so I probably got enough seed on for us for now anyway. But so yeah, they're gonna come and get that set, so that means we're gonna start making hills today. So it's pretty excited, ready to get some spuds in the ground. We're gonna be planting Atlantics. They're our early variety, pretty common variety along the east coast, clear down to Florida. Here we grow them because we once last year's crop is at all of our storages end of July, then we start digging our early ones, our Atlantics, for the chip plant to keep them going all year. So yeah, anyway, hopefully we can get some video of planting if everything goes right. Won't get any video for the first couple passes just because I gotta pay attention to what I'm doing and really got to get comfortable with it. But once I get rolling and get comfortable with the whole thing, I'll definitely make some videos. I do have GPS, so I could probably make some videos, but lots of paying attention to do to make sure everything's working properly at the start. Yeah, we'll see you. Well guys, we're planting some potatoes. Already done quite a few trips, just trying to get the hang of it. There's the planter behind us. But yeah, I got 4 cameras on this planter, so I can watch them here on my screen. This controls my stuff on my planter. Going 2.8 mile per hour, putting there 3 mile per hour. Planting 9-inch spacing. And this variety is Atlantics. So yeah, finally break dirt and getting spuds in the ground. These things will be dug early, so the earlier we get them in, the better, because the better crop we'll have at the end. Anyway, yeah, I don't know what time it is. They got it all set up, the guys did. It's 3:23. Anyway, I'm still just getting used to this whole GPS life. It's different, that's for sure, but I like it. Gives you a lot more time to pay attention to stuff and make vlogs. So anyway, yeah, I'll catch us. We're just gonna keep going. Well, we're still going. We got 3 service trucks up here, 2 white ones there, white one there. Ray's up there running the planter filler. We got just over 3 acres planted so far. That's from that tree line to where I am now. And I don't know, we're still getting kinks worked out. The planter's kind of raising weird, so they're like there's kind of a hitch between the front of it raising, because there's 2 cylinders. This cylinder right here in the front, and then there's 2 cylinders on the axles on the back, and they're kind of got a hitch to them. Like the front one raises as it's supposed to raise first, but there's almost like a little delay there for a while before the back one raises, so like longer than there should be. So they're trying to get that solved. The cameras have sound. I know you guys can't really see that. Well, we'll try to get this field done today. That ground over there is all ours, and my grandfather's gone over it, but then we got another field down that way that we're working now, but we're kind of on a hilltop. I don't know if any of you guys live in Maine. That over there is Mars Hill, way over there in the distance. basically what we were just showing you was my Uncle Ray filling my planter up with the planter filler with seed in the back, fertilizer in the front. The planter filler, which you guys saw, he fills up way up here out of a truckload of seed. That's what I shoveled up this morning. And then to the right is our fertilizer truck, which has a big auger on it, and we get fertilizer to come from the fertilizer plants around here, and they come with their own trucks and fill our truck up. So that will keep that stationary. And we used to have to, and a lot of people still do, just take their planter over to there and fill their planter, and they'd have an auger on their planter to auger it across the fertilizer box. But a couple years ago we got that planter filler, and ever since we have really sped up our operation. It usually took this planter about 20 minutes to fill, and now instead of the planter stopping to fill, my uncle is the one who has to take the time to fill. But then it just takes me 2 minutes or whatever that was, you guys watched it, to fill up. I just back in underneath him, he drops the fertilizer, then he drops the seed, and then I'm going again, and while he's refilling, I'm planting. Alright, here's a typical thing on our farms. This is a ledge right here, so we'll have to lift over this. There she goes, up over, and we dropped her back down. This seed box, which you can see here in this picture, if you can see it, that's that, and that where my seed is, and it will tilt up to dump the seed ahead this way towards me. This camera's looking across the planter this way, I think. I just got another fill from Ray. We've planted 7 acres, just over 7 acres. It is currently 5:15. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, so we're probably gonna go at it pretty late. Well, we're pretty near to 9 acres. Just got another fill. I think I can do 6 or 3 trip, like down and back, down and back, down and back. Rows keep getting a little longer, but cemetery right there, so they're gonna be short. Number 1. That old hill's a killer for that. Misses. That number. Oh well, it's nice to have that sensor so you can see what you're doing. And Ray's going back up to fill. I keep getting further and further from him. Alright. Well, we'll just keep working along at it and getting her done as we go. Definitely like the GPS, that's for sure. Another ledge there, then it's really steep, and then another ledge down there. This right in front of us, that little patch, that's some pasture that we put cows on. Got a tunnel that goes underneath the highway, actually, right there, and connects to that pasture down over across the highway. Well, guys, there's the old 7630. She's a beautiful thing. 7 o'clock. We're working. I'm actually empty. I don't know if that's... And we're just waiting for Ray. He had to go switch trucks, but he's probably... should be almost done. Yeah, he's coming on his way now, but I haven't really walked around the planter, so I figured I would. These teeth go in between the rows to break up the wheel tracks. This is what does the steering on my planter. This right here, it's like a cylinder. That's a back camera. Hi. These discs here, they close the row. That's the row opener. Seed piece drops down through here. But the fertilizer, these discs open it up. Fertilizer drops in out of these spouts, down into the cups, into the ground, opens the row up, drops the potato on top of the fertilizer, closes the row up. Fertilizer box, seed thing. Got little teeth in front. Tractor, pretty standard. Yeah. Here's a look at our fertilizer. We use dry fertilizer. Yeah, here comes Ray on the horizon, so. Yeah, she's going pretty good. My lovely wife brought me supper. I'm giving myself the hiccups from shoving food in my mouth for the short time. Oh dear. Hiccups from shoving food in my mouth because I'm on short rows now. I don't have enough time to hardly eat before I gotta turn. We got about 14 acres done. I don't know how big this field is, but probably be about 15 by the time we get her done. Well guys, that's it for today. It's about 8:30. Got that field done. We're gonna go start another field, but it hasn't gone over with the shank yet, so can't really go. And hey guys, so my camera died on me, and but like I was saying, we got that field done, and we called it a night. Yeah, so I have another planting video coming out after this one. Right now, I'm actually 2 weeks after the video you just watched was recorded, and I'm just getting around to editing it and realized that I didn't have an ending for it. So yeah, I just want to thank you guys for watching. Leave a like and subscribe. I got another planting video coming your way. But other than that, in the last 2 weeks, it's been just like what it looks like out today. Rain on and off, and cloudy and super wet. So we've actually been hauling to McCain's, and so yeah, we got one house empty, and now we're working on our other house. So been at that for about a week now, and so planting's on hold, but it's worked out quite well because it's been too wet to plant every day we've hauled so far anyway. Maybe on the exception of maybe one afternoon that it was like would have been bearable to go, but still quite muddy. Anyway, so yeah, stay tuned for more videos coming out, and sorry about the delay. It's just busy time of year. Takes a long time to edit videos, so yeah, I'll see you in the next video.